purchase order. In this tutorial, we will demonstrate how to create a purchase order in Kloud. In order to create this, we will navigate to the transaction, and then click on the purchase order. A purchase order is a commercial document and first official offer issued by a buyer to a seller, indicating types, quantities, and agreed prices for the products or services. To begin entering the details for your purchase order, click on the New button. Now, select Purchase Order Type. In my case, I am selecting Direct Purchase Order. Initially, click on the Supplier field and then press F2 button. A pop-up will appear, where you must select the supplier from the pop-up. Now, click on the Item ID field and press F2 button. A pop-up will appear, where you must select the items. Here, all the details regarding the item's data will be displayed. Now, you must enter the order quantity and item rate. The amount will be automatically calculated in the Amount column. Next, click on the Configure button. A pop-up will appear. Now enter the order key, shipment date, and then click on the Submit button. Now, click on the Additional Field section. Here all the information will appear, and you will be able to update the information according to your requirements. Further, click on Tax Other Details options. A pop-up will appear where you must select the tax. Next, click on the Payment Terms. A pop-up will appear where you can select the payment type. Finally, click on the Save button. All the above-mentioned details will be saved. The purchase order will be successfully completed. You can now find the purchase order by clicking on the Find button, and all the details you just created will be visible. At last, if you wish to change the details in the purchase order, click on the Revise button, and you will be able to alter it as per your user rights. Record will be saved successfully.